gotten a lot of rain in Mobile lately, and sometimes when it rains, you'll notice things popping up that you never noticed before. And one of those things that was so big to me recently is resurrection fern. You can see it behind me on this tree. You'll see it on oak trees and various different, like very old, large trees around the city of Mobile. And it stays dormant. It's brown, it's kind of crunchy, and it kind of bows over in this shape when it's really dry outside. But then when it rains, it pops right out, and that's why it's called resurrection fern, because when it's dormant, it's still alive, and then the minute it starts raining or we get a ton of fog or humidity, it'll pop back up and be perfectly green, just like this. This plant is known as an epiphyte, which means that it grows on the tree. It does not actually take any nutrients from the tree, which means it's not harming your tree. So if you have resurrection fern on any of your trees, just leave it alone. It's not hurting the tree, and it just makes for a really beautiful sign of great rainy weather in the city of Mobile.